Hey guys, welcome to Rosby Mobile. Today I will unboxing latest unique Yuga book. Exactly not little, but now right now you cannot find in our market. But available here big quantity. If anybody need our WhatsApp number available in description for the order, free delivery and all you way. Okay, let's go for unboxing. This one. This one UA stock, okay, and let's go this one for the this Yuga book. Oh, sorry, this is closed. Let's open here. This wow, it's a mixed color, black and gold. And also white, you can see. So this is the charger and HDMI. So for SIM card, supported SIM card. And here is a power button and volume button. Here is the speaker. This one for hands-free 95. Let's go for unboxing. You can see this all is touch, the keyboard touch, display touch, all is 360, and this one you can use for this one pen. So beautiful. Inside is this one is the pad for the pen writing for the fencing like notebook. This one electronic notebook, you can see. This one you need to keep here and you can write your by pen. Have available here is the pen. This one is the pen. This is Lenovo pen. You can see this pen you can use here by notebook and also you can use by your touch here. And let's go for the here is available some information book and some eject pen, you can see. And we'll go next. Here is available the charger, original charger, you can see Lenovo original 3-pin charger. Here is the USB cable for the charge. And then let's go for this. I think the first one will open. This one doesn't have the charge. This one is the camera. You can see this camera. This one for the SIM, and that's the keyboard. You can see it's all touch screen Intel. And here also available camera. This camera you can use for second. You can use like that. You see, so beautiful, so amazing. Is available black color and gold color and white color. Work ready, 15 hours battery charging, battery life. You can charge one time 15 hours. You can use continue. Helio keyboard, magic keyboard, real pen, and also you can use. This one available in Rosby Mobile, first come first take, very good price. Offer now only 1,500 dirham. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and comment, like and video, share the video. Bye.